Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Are you in search of the best electric toothbrush? In this video, we'll explore the top 5 electric toothbrush available. But before we dive in, check the links in the description to find one within your budget. Let's get started with our review. Top 1. Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5300 Rechargeable Electric Power Toothbrush. The Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5300 Rechargeable Electric Power Toothbrush, Black, model HX6423/34, revolutionizes oral care with its advanced sonic technology, providing up to 62,000 brush movements per minute for a thorough clean. Featuring a pressure sensor and quad pacer, it ensures gentle yet comprehensive brushing, alerting to excessive pressure and guiding through each mouth quadrant. With 3 intensity settings and a diamond clean brush head, it caters to various preferences and effectively removes plaque and debris. Its long-lasting rechargeable battery offers up to 2 weeks of use, while its sleek design and travel case make it convenient for everyday and on-the-go oral care. Top 2. Oral-B IO Series 3 Limited Rechargeable Electric-Powered Toothbrush. The Oral-B IO Series 3 Limited Rechargeable Electric-Powered Toothbrush in sleek black offers cutting-edge oral care technology. With 2 brush heads and a travel case included, it's perfect for on-the-go convenience. Featuring a visible pressure sensor, it protects gums by alerting you when brushing too hard. With 3 modes and a 2-minute timer, it ensures a thorough clean tailored to your preferences. The IO Series 3 Limited utilizes advanced oscillating rotating technology to remove plaque effectively, leaving your mouth feeling fresh and rejuvenated. Elevate your brushing experience with this innovative toothbrush from Oral-B. Top 3. Waterpik Sonic Fusion 2.0 Professional Flossing Toothbrush. The Waterpik Sonic Fusion 2.0 Professional Flossing Toothbrush in sleek white combines the effectiveness of an electric toothbrush and a water flosser in one innovative device. Its advanced sonic technology ensures thorough plaque removal, while the built-in water flosser gently cleans between teeth and below the gum line. With easy-to-use controls and a comfortable design, it makes oral hygiene effortless and enjoyable. Say goodbye to traditional flossing and hello to a healthier smile with the Sonic Fusion 2.0. Top 4. Oral-B IO Series 6 Electric Toothbrush. The Oral-B IO Series 6 Electric Toothbrush in sleek black lava offers a premium brushing experience. Its advanced technology ensures gentle yet thorough cleaning, leaving teeth feeling exceptionally clean and polished. With a high-performance brush head, it effectively removes plaque and debris. The smart pressure sensor alerts against excessive force, safeguarding gums and enamel. Customizable brushing modes cater to individual preferences. Enhanced connectivity, including Bluetooth to the Oral-B app, provides personalized guidance for optimal oral health. Elevate your oral care routine and achieve a brighter, healthier smile with the Oral-B IO Series 6 Electric Toothbrush. Top 5. Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige Rechargeable Electric Power Toothbrush. The Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige Rechargeable Electric Power Toothbrush in Midnight, model HX9990/12, represents the pinnacle of oral care innovation. Featuring SenseIQ technology, it adapts to your brushing style, adjusting intensity and duration for a personalized clean. This premium toothbrush delivers up to 62,000 brush movements per minute, removing plaque and stains with precision. Its sleek midnight design adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom. Equipped with smart sensors, it provides real-time feedback, ensuring thorough cleaning while protecting your gums and enamel. With long-lasting battery life and a stylish charging glass, the Sonicare 9900 Prestige redefines the brushing experience for a brighter, healthier smile.